Welcome back, still on Kasma Animation Studio. My name is Blessing Bassi. Here are the headlines. The Empower Beneficiary in Nigerian Christian Bible College, Ukpomabak, Akwa Ibom State, have expressed their gratitude over the goodness through the Empower program that the federal government have showered upon them. Listen to the reports. Good day, bros. Abeg, you fit tell us, as one of the Empower beneficiary, how the Empower program take benefit una?
Good day. My name na Ojan Valentine, the student governor. Na good thing wey our government do for us through the Federal Ministry of Humanitarian Affairs. Dem try be say before na only people wey get certificate bin dey go Empower program. Buhari come say no this time. Make people wey get SSCE go for the program, go be beneficiary. As we talk today, people wey get SSCE wey never go university, the big one, dem fit press computer now. Some don dey do animation. Dem fit even do cartoon movie. So many others fit write script for film. Federal government dem don try. The presidency and her honourable minister, they don try well. Una do well for this program wey una come give us.
Avoid crowded place, maintain social distance, use nose masks and hand sanitizer. Stay tuned, more coming your ways after this commercial.
And creative animation. Be creative.